Okay, makita naman niyo no ang murag PowerPoint no and klaro na akong tingog, please type yes. Okay, good afternoon. We were not able to meet a couple of days ago, but that's fine. Okay lang because I am going to facilitate this class. We are going to set this class as if this is a tutorial class. There are only 5 students in the class, and we'll meet every Saturdays na lang para para dili kayo mo madisturbo sa inyong weekdays. Anyway, 1 hour lamang po na siya pod. So like I said, today I am going to provide you an overview of this course as students coming from the library and information science discipline, and I am going to relate you all to it. Do not worry because um, I have taught this subject for quite a long time now, so I can play around with it already, and I will try my very best to make it relatable to all of you. So, first things first, this subject is equivalent to um, it is equivalent to a subject taken by BSCS and BSIT students. It's called Systems Architecture or Systems Integration and Architecture 1. Kasi I don't think na mo software engineering, murag wala man pud mo software engineering. So naa mo sa part 1 kasi kani siya part 1 and 2 man gud ni siya. Ang sa old nga curriculum it's called Systems Analysis and Design, but it's now changed to Systems Architecture and Integration 1. So sa wait lang, na ba may software engineering? Can you recall or can you tell me sa inyong curriculum if na atoy software engineering nakabutang or wala? Wala. Okay, sige. So for BSCS and BSIT curriculum, this course is divided into two. So number one is Architecture and Integration 1, and number 2 is Architecture and Integration 2. Ang katong 1 nga ko ang gi-mean is mao na ni siyang systems analysis and design. So along the way in the future, if I am able to give you or send you a learning material nga ang nakabutang systems uh, integration and architecture 1, do not be confused because that is entirely the same with systems analysis and design. Okay? So what is this course all about? It's displayed on your screens right now. Let's try to break the contents into smaller parts. I'm going to read it. This course introduces to students the fundamental concepts of information systems. So, since you are students from the Bliss curriculum, the information systems that we talk about or we refer here in are the library management systems. So for BSCS and BSIT students, most likely all the time, they deal with information systems that exist in business organizations. So example, supermarkets, coffee shops, hospitals, and etc. And by the way, when we say business organization or business entity, please do not interpret it as the literal business term. So ayaw siya i-interpret as if when we say business organization or business entity, ayaw siya i-interpret as in commercial organization right away. Or ora-orada, you think about it as something na maligya or whatsoever. So treat it as something that refers to any organizations out there. So meaning if we say school, in the world of systems analysis and design, or in the world of software development, we can call it a business organization or a business entity. Okay, so dili siya necessary a business as a literal commercial business. Okay, so Diba? If, for example, you go to school and you have a transaction out there, diba? Sometimes we refer to it as a business. What about what's your business in here? Something like that. Okay? So ang information systems nga ginadeal uh, by BSCS and BSIT students are the ones that exist in uh, organizations like the hospitals, hotels, restaurants, school, supermarkets, etc. And hence, they refer to, excuse me, they refer to what we call point of sale systems, inventory systems, enrollment systems, blah, blah, blah. These are all information systems. Now, since you come from the Bliss curriculum, obviously we will focus on library management systems to make it more relatable to you. Okay? So, in other words, this course will introduce to you some concepts that you need to know about information systems in general. And one example of an information system is the library management system. Is it clear? Can you respond by typing yes? Good. Next, we will also introduce systems analysis and design to gain theoretical background in software development process. Now, this course will not expose you to the actual software development process. In other words, our final requirement will not be a software development endeavor. Meaning, dili mo magbuhat og software sa kaning nga kurso. Even for BSCS and BSIT students, dili sila magbuhat og software ani nga course. Kay naman ni part 2 sa ilaha, di ba? Dito sila sa part 2 magbuhat actually. Ang sa inyo ha, it's more on number one, systems analysis, number two, systems design. So meaning we will divide the entire semester with topics that have something to do with analyzing systems and topics that have something to do with designing systems. Meaning this course is about the initial steps. The initial steps uh, before software developers begin developing the system. Okay? So ang system nga to ang gi-refer diri is the whatever systems we may develop. And one of it is katulagi, library management systems. Okay? So dili ta maabot sa development phase kasi kaning analysis and design phases na siya. When we say phases, these are steps that a developer has to follow for him or her to be able to develop a software. Okay? Think about the relationship of architect and engineers. So the architect will perform some analysis first and will come up with a blueprint. So before engineers even begin to engineer quote unquote a site, for example, an establishment. Okay? So they have to be able to communicate with the architects first. So katong gi-produce sa architect na blueprint will become the basis of the engineers. In other words, naata sa murag role sa architects. We perform the analysis and design first. Okay? And it is the job of IT students and CS students to develop it. Meaning, realize the plan. Meaning, make it come true. Okay? Also, we will deal with the identification of information system types. So there are plenty of information systems out there. Okay? When we say examples, we can say login system, enrollment system, uh, sa pa, point of sale system, parehaan ng ginagamit sa mga cashier, sa supermarkets, and like I said, library management systems. But these systems are examples. Okay, mga example ni sila. These examples fall into different types because there are many types of information systems out there. Get me? And these information systems are used by organizations in order to uh, process transactions or help them perform their business processes. So mayroon ganito og business processes, functions ana nga organization. Okay, mga unsa ni siya? Mga pwede nato buhaton within that organization. So mo na siya business processes. In other words, mga transactions. Okay? So for example, a supermarket, unsa may transaction sa supermarket? 'Di ba na ang supermarket na sila sales, 'di ba? So sales transaction, they performs or they conduct sales. Kaya na may mamalit. Pero 'di ba ang supermarket, they also purchase from suppliers. So kana siya transaction pud na siya. Okay, kung moadto kag bangko, unsa may mga transaction nga imong mabuhat sa ka bangko, amo na siya mga business processes. Okay? And then finally, we'll talk about design details. So in other words, after analyzing, for example, you saw a library out there and the library is conducting its transactions manually, and it's now time for the library to innovate itself by deploying a software because let's imagine or let's assume nga nakadako ang library, daghag mga borrowers and whatsoever. So that's the perfect time for the library to consider using a system in order for them to be able to perform their transactions efficiently, and hence the birth of what we call library management systems. Okay? So, in other words, there are two critical steps in developing a software, like a library management system. First is analysis, second is design. And we will focus our attention to these phases. Claro, please type yes if it is, and if there are validations, if there are clarifications, please type it. Pero claro, please type yes. Okay. So this is going to be the framework of our subject, meaning what you will be learning, what we will be discussing throughout the semester. Pero like I said, I just want this course to be facilitated like a tutorial. Okay, gamay ramang good punta no. Dayon, diretsaan na lang ta. I'll just provide you the essentials, the most important parts of the course. And yeah, I'm gonna do my best to make it relatable to you as students from the Bliss curriculum. So we will talk about the introduction to information systems first. So I will introduce to you what ISs are or information systems are. And of course, naana siya yung mga task diana. Okay, relax lang ta. Midterm na to, we will focus on systems analysis. So katunang how to analyze, what to consider when analyzing systems. Pre-final na to, we will talk about project management. Kasi, inano na siya, ang part 2 ani niya sa mga BSCS at BSIT students, ang tawag is Systems Architecture and Integration 1 or Systems Integration Architecture mo siguro to. I think I just mixed the words. But anyway, ang part 2 actually ani is software engineering. Now, software engineering is obviously a type of engineering. So kanang mga nasa DPWH, mga engineers man na sila, 'di ba? Civil engineers and etc. 'Di ba kanang sa mga DPWH yung mga endeavor, 'di ba naadya na usahay magpapilit na or magpatindog na sila daw kay nga tarpaulin? 'Di ba they consider it as a project? 'Di ba kay proyekto man na siya sa government. Okay? And like any other engineering disciplines out there, ang software actually project pa na siya. Okay? Lahi lang tawag output. Ang katulad output physical good man to siya, physical material, makita, mahikap, tangible. Ang software dili man. Okay, pero the process, the principle, and etc. are the same. Okay, so meaning, in a way, remember these they are called both are called engineering, software engineering, civil engineering, and whatsoever. So meaning the principles are they have something in common in terms of the quote unquote engineering principles or engineering process or engineering activities. Okay? So ang software actually is also treated like a project. Because in reality, if you go to larger cities, there are companies out there that is focusing on projects. They accept projects na software development. Yeah, kay project man na siya, seryoso man na siya nga undertaking because it's a project. There is a client. A client is paying you to do it, to do the job. So there is what we call a project management. Project management is a process where we perform activities that will ensure that the development process of the software is properly managed. Okay? So in reality, sa BSCS ug BSIT students ani, naa sila gitawag nga project manager. Kamo kay dili man mo maabot ato kay part 2 lagi to siya, wala man may part 2 good. So na project manager nga maglantaw kung nagtrabaho ba si programmer, si designer, si analyst nagtrabaho ba. Okay, and then sa project management na diyan yung timeline sa imuhang software aron mahuman siya. For BSCS and BSIT students, they are given 2 semesters para mahuman nila ang software. Mao din na lang gitawag na dayon nga Capstone Project 1, Capstone Project 2. Okay, mura siya og thesis 1, thesis 2. Okay? And then finally, we'll talk about details about the design. So meaning, as students coming from Bliss curriculum, of course, ang ato ang focus is on library systems. Okay? And by the way, when we speak about design, do not think about it as if it only refers to the physical design. No, kanang design sa software. No, pwede siya sa process. Natay gitawag nga process design. Okay. Have you ever processed something or have you ever made a transaction with a certain office or an agency or whatsoever, and then the process or the steps are so slow or so lengthy or kanang makaingon ka kanang anong inani man ni ilahang pamaagi or something like that? So we can also say we redesign the process. Do you get me? Ato ang i-redesign ang step aron mas mapaspas siya. So from now on, do not think of design as if it only refers to the physical aspects of a software. No. Pwede siya sa proseso, pwede siya sa pamaagi. Pwede siya sa steps. Okay? So, mo na iyahan what ipasabot when we say design. I have not taught you before for any courses out there because obviously I don't come from the Bliss study, but my name is Mark Lester Katungal. I am from the CCS. Of course, you've seen me already. I am mostly teaching BSIT students. Okay, so let's talk about IS. Um, this is only the general meaning of IS. Do not worry because we are recording the session, man. I'm recording the session. I'm just going to post the link later. So an information system is number one, it's an integrated components, meaning it's made up of many components out there. What are these components? Number one, hardware, software, infrastructure, and trained personnel. Kung galibog, hardware, software, the technologies used, and trained personnel. In this case, sa inyong studies, sa inyong focus, the librarians. Okay, because the librarians are the personnel who are intended to use the library management systems. Okay, so an information system is a combination of these components. So dili lang siya software. Okay, mo ingon ganito information system, apil ang hardware ana, apil ang software, apil ang technology nga gigamit, at internet connection, blah blah blah. Is it using web? Parehana sa atong library bitaw kanang OPAC. Oh, so apil na siya. That's also a software by the way. And the trained personnel. So the librarians. Okay? So what are information systems used for? Number one, for collecting, okay, collecting, storing, para nang nadaw mo abot nga libro, I'm not familiar with the processes and correct me if I'm wrong, pero pag naay maabot from the supplier, we will collect it and we will store the data to be included to the system so that when we process data, for example, there's a student who visited the library and the student used OPAC and the student entered something on the OPAC because the student wants to find a particular book. And then the student presses enter. Katong pag-press sa enter, yung mo ito i-process man ito sa OPAC. Aron mahibawa na ba ito nga libro. And then katong gi-output karon sa upak, mao to siya ang information or knowledge nga okay mo ano ni estudyante nga okay na ang libro, dili makita ang libro, blah 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 blah. Okay? So this supports the organization. In this case, ang organization nga atong gi-refer ang library. Is it clear? Can you type yes? Good. Sige, next. Okay. So look at it. So how does the information system behave or sa iyang dagan sa kinabuhi information system? So in this case, imagine the library. So of course, number one, any information systems out there, ma-library management system ba na, ma-point of sale system ba na, basta information system, it requires input coming from the user, of course. If our OPAC did not get any query, kung ang OPAC wala siya kadawatong input coming from anyone, of course, dili siya mo-process. Okay? Number two, it will then process it. So it will dara. Pwede ta diani sa okay. Pwede ta diani kana bitang pinakaubos sa process kanang update ledger and databases kay database man to siya. Atong sulod ato niya, it will search the name of the book from the database of the library. Naa ba to siya nga book? Processing man na siya. Verb naman siya. It searches. Okay? And then it will provide us output. So kung sa LMS pa ni siya, full-blown library management system, pwede nga iyang output ihatag is kung sa nga libro ang ginakahulman sa mga estudyante within the semester, kung sa nga teacher ang sige panghulam og libro, kung sa nga libro ang wala pa nauli, kung sa ang libro nga dili na pwede i-reference kay daan na kaayo, kung sa nga libro ang mga bag-o, etc. You get the point? Is it clear so far? Are you getting a clear picture of what is going on in our lesson right now? Can you imagine it very well? Yes. Okay, good. So if we do this manually and the library is so huge, good luck. So that's why even libraries, we also need to adapt to innovations and specifically technological innovations. Okay? So that's why ang BLIS under siya sa College of Computing Studies because they have close relationship with IT students or CS students. Okay? Next. These are also examples of information systems. So if you go to the business side, you have a point of sale system. Look at that. That's so familiar to all of us because of course, we've purchased goods now from supermarkets and um, we already know the process of doing it. So we pick the products, we select products, we go to the cashier, and we go to the cashier and we hand the products to the cashier, and the cashier will process it using the system. Blah blah blah. And so ang katong nga product ilaha is sales transaction man to siya. Okay? Sa business, sa ano to siya, sa supermarkets to siya nga side. So library nga side dara. So we can imagine maybe nga kaning computers di ani maybe internet portal na siya or pwede pod nga naagi dira pod ang OPA. So regardless if aha nagdagan ng information system, regardless unsa siya nga klase nga information system, they are the same because they are all information systems. Okay? Next. So, aside from the examples that I have shown you right now, nasa yung screen right now, it's also important for you people, guys, to um, think about information systems as they are being used by the organization. Okay. Kani nga organization nga kung gimin, pwede siya school, pwede siya restaurant, pwede siya eskwelahan, pwede siya supermarket. Generally, we refer to them as organizations. Okay? Ma-school ba na, ma-restaurant ba na siya, ma-library ba na siya, naagit tayo mga personnel nga maugyoy visible makita nato nga nagtrabaho sa organization. Unsa akong gibuti pasabot. For example, sa supermarket, ang kasagara gyud nga makita nato nga galihok are the cashier and the baggers. Di ba? Kung sa eskwelahan pud ka, ang kasagara nga ato ang ma-meet gyud around are the teachers. We do not usually meet the heads around because most of the time they are in their offices, and number two, they are the heads. So managerial ilahang work. Ang teacher ang magbahis-bahis. Okay? Og sa ano pud ka, library pud ka, siguro ang setup man gud sa library nato sa school is ano siya, ang kasagara makita nimo nga mo assist sa mga estudyante, mga SG. Di ba? So dili kaayo to although mo assist man gyapon ng librarians pero di ba most of the time ang ato ag yung direct ba nga ma-encounter make transaction with are the SGs. So usa may buti pasabot ato. Within the organization leveling pud siya. Okay, dayon per level naa siya medyo dili kaayo na ako siya ma-explain sa library sa eskwelahan pero let's use a kasi di ko familiar man good sa process of put sa library no but we can use supermarket as a very basic and very easy to understand example sa so, ti pasabot ato if mosulod kag People's Plaza or Gaisano ang permitted gid nimo ang first gid nimo nga makit-an gid most of the time most likely are the cashiers. Murag rare kaayo siguro nato makita ng manager dayon di po ta aware nga manager dito siya. So katong cashier, they are the ones who perform the daily transactions. Okay? Then they're called katong di ba katong cashier ang gamit nila is POS, no? Katong ginagamit nila sa ilang computer. Ya katong ginagamit sa cashier sa computer, ang tawag ato niya point of sale system man to siya. Ya kana siya mo nang ginagamit sa cashier to perform daily transactions. Ya kanang daily transaction guys, mo na siya ang kay daily man siya. Okay? Daily man siya, everyday man siya galihok. Mo na siya nga naa siya sa blue, transaction processing system. Okay? So, kung mabasa ninyo, transaction processing system is used by workers for basic reporting. Nganong dako kayong blue, nganong nasa bottom part ang blue. Kasi kitang ang tawag mo na nila operational workers. Okay, ano sila ba? Sila ang katugyong ma-interact yun sa mga kliyente, sa mga customer. Sila tong nasa operations. Sila tong daily gadagan, daily ga work. Daily ga perform sa daily transactions. Okay? Ning atong mga managers nga medyo rare kay nato makit-an, napa na sila system nga ilang kaugalingon gigamit. Okay? Nga medyo gamay-gamay na siya sa pyramid kay dili man gamay ra man gyud ang number sa manager. Okay? So kung kabantay mo, katong point of sale system, actually, under to siya sa transaction processing system. Kanang mga managers, ang ilang ginagamit ng system pod, management information system. Katong mga boss na gyud, president, CEO, blah blah blah, mo na sila ang nasa yellow ug sa pink na nasa top, decision support system og executive information systems. Okay? Dayon, ang organizations people, unique siya. Dili siya buti pasabot magkapareha. Posible nga ang ato ang library diri medyo na kalahian sa library pod in terms of processes, in terms of transactions. Na siya kalahian sa ubang library pod sa school. Okay, that's why naay systems analysis. Kasi ang analysis, sabtun nimo ang situation sa organization. Kaya ang organization, unique yun na siya. Kumbaga, in other words, ang enrollment system sa Columban, dili yun na siya exactly the same sa enrollment system sa SMC. You get me? So kanang mga IT nato og CS kung mag-develop na sila enrollment system, dili sila pwede mo assume nga ang ilahang tangtaha nana sila project daan nga enrollment system, kumbaga nana sila nabuhat nga enrollment system daan. Then naa sila kliyente kani nga school enrollment system. Nya tawagon nato to nga school ABC school. Dili sila pwede mo assume nga katong enrollment system nga ilang nabuhat na mo fit sa ABC school. Kaya naagi na siya kalahian. Okay? Klaro so far? Please type yes. Okay. Good. Right. So to continue, okay, let's talk about business functions. Kani siya, organizational level man siya, leveling sa organization. Kumbaga people, ang buti pasabot lang gid ani niya in case na confusion is in an organization, in any organization, may it be a school, may it be a restaurant, may it be a library, na siya levels. Nata gitawag ng mga workers. No? Palitan Jollibee. Okay, Jollibee is obviously a business organization. No? Ang Jollibee, ang leveling niya or organizational level, natin gitawag ng mga operational workers. Kana ilahang mga kahera, cashier, servers. Muna sila yung mga operational workers. Kaya naman sila sa operations. Meaning, galihok sila ang direct matransact sa mga customers. So, naa sila sa blue. They are the ones who are assigned to perform the daily transactions. Sa ato pa, katong ginagamit sa cashier sa Jollibee kanang nakay order, ang tawag na niya generally, ang tawag na niya transaction processing system. Okay? Specifically, mo na iyang generic term, transaction processing system. Specifically, it is a point of sale system. Ayaw mo ka-confuse sa point of sale system o sa transaction processing system. Point of sale system is an example of a transaction processing system. Okay. Kani siya nga system mo may gigamit every day. You get me? Kaya kung restaurant na siya, pwede man siya tawagon nga system nga order processing system. You get me? Order processing system. So katong order processing system, mamo to siya gigamit for the daily transactions. So meaning, it is generally still called transaction processing system. Parihara na sila. Okay, balik ka sa Jollibee. 'Di ba ang Jollibee naa sila di ba naman na sila manager? Di ba? Then medyo laig uniform, makabantay man to usahay, di ba? Sa Jollibee laig uniform, medyo laig design lang uniform. Sa kato sila lahi po to ilahang job. Oo. So lahi po to ang ilahang gina-look out. So from the name manager, they manage the daily transaction too. Pero dili gid sila ang galihok. Ang galihok katong mga operational workers, katong mga cashier o katong mga servers. Okay? So, ang sa mga organizations, lahi po to ilang system nga gigamit. So, ang tawag sa systems nga ilang gigamit is Management Information System. Okay? So, in terms of, so, unsa nga brand, dili na ta mag worry sa brand. Wala siya ginani people, Ako sang i-ano ha, ako sang i-stop. I'm gonna show you something. Let's say OPAC, Online Public Access Catalog. Let me show you something. Do you see something on your screen right now? I am displaying a Google search result sa inyong screen. Do you see it? Okay. Kani siya, this is an OPAC. Pero kani siya, OPAC pod ni siya. Di ba lahi sila og brand? Meaning lahi ang ga-develop nila. Meaning lahi og dili siya matawag nga manufacturer ha kay kuan dili man siya physical good. Akong point is when we talk about information systems, dili relevant nga mahibaw-an nimo ang brand. Okay? Ayaw na pakialami ang brand. Dili siya relevant. Okay? So, I'm sure you're familiar with kani Koha. Because mo ni siya ang, I think this is the one used by my advisee before nagmasteral sa library. So ayaw kayo i-ano ang brand, dito lang ta sa iyang type ug sa iyang unsa siya nga information system. So kung OPAC lang, ayaw na pakialami iyang brand like this one or this one or this one. Okay? Ayan. So, after that, sa Management Information System, naapot tay gitawag nga Decision Support System. Actually, ang mahitabo ani kaning Decision Support System o kaning EIS, ay lang kayo makabalaka kay tagaan man tamog time to research about this one kay mao naman ito ang mga tasks. Ay lang mo kaayo ka ano sa karon because you will be given sufficient time to do it all. Kaning Decision Support System o EIS, ang ubang system ani usa na ni siya. Okay, so if we use the example of Jollibee, aron relatable po siya sa tanan sa atua, ang transaction processing system katuning mga operational workers, katong mga cashier ug mga servers. Kaning management information system katuning ilang manager, supervisor, mo na sila. Kaning decision support system, 'di ba? Kakita mo dana senior manager, 'di ba? So we can think of it as the regional manager, maybe na ay manager per region. So sa Region 9, siya ang gagunit sa tanang Jollibee sa Region 9. Something like that siguro. Pwede na ito na siya interpret as that. Then, kanina yung nasa top, katunog yun yung executive, katunog yung president sa Jollibee. Remember, these are all franchises. Meaning, unsay ano sa main, mo ipadagan sa mga franchises. Sa mga franchise. Kaya pareha man sila. Okay? Dili pwede nga ang Coke float nga sa panang Jollibee Pie or whatsoever. Dili pwede nga kaning franchise galahi. Dili siya pwede. Okay? So, inana ang leveling, ang organizational levels nato sa usa ka organization. Nga per level na information system gigamit ana. Per level. Okay, per level man to siya karon maghisgot tag per function. Okay? Let's take St. Columban College. So, kana nakita nato sa screen ninyo karon are common business functions. Pero dili ni siya buti pasabot nga mao gid ni siya ang ga-exist sa tanan. Pareha pud aning organization na level. Dili pud buti pasabot nga tanang organization na aning level. No, dili siya buti pasabot nga na. Pwede siya nga maglailahi. Pero mo ni siya ang general meaning or general level. Okay? So kanimo ba siya ang general function? O, let's say for example sa Columban, nabatay sales, technically na sales ang Columban. Kay naamantay bookstore, naputay canteen. So og mayroon tag per function, pwede ta ma-interpret og per department, per office. So ang buti pa sabot ani na yung mga ubang organization di ana nga ang ilahang sales napon nay system gigamit ana. If we also say finance, Columban also has our finance office. So we also have they also use a separate information system for it. Do we have manufacturing? Technically, we do not have because we don't manufacture goods. Okay lang na siya because like I said, ang ano yung nakita sa screen karon are the common general business functions. But then again, each organization is unique. Pwede siya maglahi-lahi. Let's talk about purchase. Do we purchase goods from our suppliers? Yes. So posible nga natay system nagigamit. In the case of Jollibee, I'm not sure if this is accurate, but I think their supplier is Magnolia for their chicken. So they use a system for that, for their supplier. I've heard from a training, so this is kind of legit, Jollibee uses a system called SAP, S-A-P. So that is the information system that they use. SAP is kanisya, Enterprise Resource Planning. Di sa maglibog ha, kay medyo lain-lain gini siya term. Medyo kung beginner ka, makalibog yun. Pero ayaw sa paglibog, kaning ERP, the same ni siya sa EIS. Executive Information System. Okay, pwede nga sa isa ka libro, ang tawag sa iya, Executive Information System. Pero kaning nga libro, ang tawag sa iya, Enterprise Resource Planning. Okay? Yun na ang kalakaran. Okay, so kung ma-purchase ang Jollibee, naa siya system gigamit for that. Ang Columban, na ba HR and payroll? Of course, we have. And sa SSC, we also use a system for that. So katong mga in charge sa payroll, naa sila gigamit ng information system. Okay? Is it clear so far? Can I get your feedbacks? Do you have clarifications? Do you have questions? Do not be shy. Ayaw ka ulaw og pangutana kung naa may gusto i-verify. Okay. Next. Okay, so I have mentioned a while back, kanisha, an information system is an integrated set of components. And I have specifically stated here that these components are combination of the following, blah, 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 blah. Now, it's time for us to focus on these components. So whether it is a point of sale system, whether it is, I'm going to go back to this slide, whether it is a transaction processing system, whether it is a management information system, whether it is a decision support system, whether it is a point of sale system, and whether it is a library management system, or pwede po kung pakapinan pag yun, whether it is this kind of system which is integrated, meaning it's for all, okay, whether in other words, whether it is a kind of system that we have not talked about yet. The point is, whatever system is that, it is still the same in terms of their components. So in terms of their components, walay problema sa information systems, they all are made up of the same elements. Okay? What are these components? Hardware, software, data, process, and end users. Sir, lahi lagi na ang nakamarka di ana, sir, sa katong gihatag nimo kanina. Ayaw lang kayo kalibog, kay aton ni siyang lahi lang iyang term. O ang trained personnel diri nahimo ng user diri. Ayaw kayo or end user di ani. Pwede po people na siya di ana, walay problema. So dili kay ta ma-confuse ha. Uh, the reason why information technology books or references out there do not really have strict the same terms is because number one, the field of study of IT is broad, wala gid siya standard. So ano lang ta, di lang kita ma-confuse. Pero ma-confuse mo, you want to validate something that you are thinking, please, you can always ask for my help. You can send a message or whatever, just in case along the way, sa ato ang studies, sa ato ang subject, na amoy something na confuse mo, then you can always validate it to me. So these are the components of information system. Okay? So hardware, software, data, process, and end users. Medyo confident ko nga medyo kabalo na mo ani. Oo, but since we are studying it per se, no, information systems per se, we will um, we will talk about this in detail, but I'm gonna give it to you as your task. So na ako'y task ihatag. Good for the prelim period. Ay kabala ka because you can finish that within a week. Okay? So, na ako'y task later i-post, and then it's good for 1 week. That's gonna be the task na for prelim period. Okay, so one of the tasks, plural form, one of the tasks will um, ask you to study the components you are seeing on your screens right now. Okay, isa na sa inyohang dapat i-discover. And I will also ask you to identify some examples. I have an ebook. Ayun kabalakan ako ebook for all of you. And of course, do not only rely on the book. You also browse some references out there. Okay? Ang key, ang vital, ang important aspect lang yun ani, masabtan lang yun ang term. Period. Okay? So pag naagyo gikalibgan, please raise it up. Okay? Pwede mo comment sa post. Later na ako sa Google Classroom. Mag-post ko karon og task ninyo. Okay? Okay na ng important notice. Ang ako lang sigurong particular ko ani is kaning integrity and honesty. Work on yourself and yeah, just make sure that your tasks are completed by no one but yourself. Ay lang po 100% kinopia. Timeliness as well, please work on it. Anyway, I will give you a week man po to finish it. And yeah, this is one of the tasks that I'm going to require you to do. It's good for the prelim exam. This is only one of the tasks ha. Sige lang, ako lang i-post. Ayaw lang mo kaayo ka balaka because ako siyang i-post later. After this session, I'm gonna work with it. Okay, magbuhat kong file for it. I think I'm done with my session this afternoon. Do you have questions? Is it clear so far? I mean, is the discussion meaningful to all of us so far? Did we get a clear picture if ug unsa ang ato ang course? Were we able to relate to the discussion so far? Were you able to imagine or get a clear visualization of unsa ko ang gi-discuss so far? That is of course related to your study, related to your discipline as future librarians. Klaro ra ba? Clear. Okay. Um, Thank you so much for your attendance today. I'm gonna post this the link of the video para na may ma-refer, and I'll also post the task. It's good for a week. That means you may submit it until Saturday next week. Okay? So I'm gonna see you again next Saturday, same time. Okay ba? Okay. Thank you so much. Stay safe. Enjoy your weekends. Have a great day. And I'll see you again soon. Bye bye. You may now leave the conference.